Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power x minus x the root of x is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So x power x is equals to x root of x. So x power x is equals to x power 1 by x we can write it as, because nth root of a we can write it as a power 1 by n. So now if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So x is equals to 1 by x. Now if I'll do cross multiplication, so it becomes x square is equals to 1. So x square minus 1 is equals to 0. Here we are going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So we can consider it as a square. So it becomes x plus 1 times x minus 1 is equals to 0. So either x plus 1 is equals to 0 or x minus 1 is equals to 0. From this, the value of x is -1. And from this, the value of x is +1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.